Welcome to GCAP Performance. We have a very special car in. It is a 2005 Porsche Carrera GT. We're very lucky to have this car in. There's not many Porsche specialists that can say they've had this in, let alone a tuning company like ourselves. At the owner's request, we're not allowed to disclose what we're doing on the vehicle, but we are allowed to show you around the car. So we're going to head on over to the workshop now and we'll get some nice shots of the vehicle. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. If you want to click here, YouTube will offer a suggestion of some of our other videos. Please, if you could take the time to watch, it would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.